Neo Glamour TV. Choose the best African entertainment just at the tip of your finger.
Which kind of life be this? Person could just graduate. Person will go see work. Ah, man. Wait, make I check this house. Work for the year now. If I don't see white collar, if I see electrical work too. Well done. Thank you. I beg, now you be supervisor for here?
Yes.
Yeah. I be electrical engineer. I be graduate. I beg, I define work. Help me. And my CV be display. Check out.
Okay. No need to check. There is no vacancy.
Oh God, sabi the work. Oh.
I know, but no vacancy for you.
Okay, you for look the CV first now.
I know, no vacancy.
Okay. Ina gaya maka gaskiya na san aiki kadan kadan.
Na san da haka ma bai yi bane ba wuri da ni. Oga ba wuri da nika.
No retreat, no surrender. This life is not easy.
Hey, babe.
Hey.
Welcome.
Thank you. Why are we meeting in a hotel room? Why not at mine or yours?
Well, that's because I have a surprise for you. But first, come sit and have a drink.
Okay.
There you go.
So, what is the surprise?
There you go.
What the hell is this, Cheta? What is happening here? What is this?
I'm sure you know what it is. Look, I'm sick and tired of our old-fashioned way of making love. I'm tired of missionary, mama and papa all the time, babe. We're still young. Let's explore and try some crazy things.
See, Cheta, I knew you were crazy, but I didn't know it was this bad.
Don't you dare walk out from me! Don't you know I'm crazy in love with you?
Is this a definition of crazy? Let go of my hand, you're hurting me!
Hurting you?
Wait, what? Do you want to rape me? What is this?
me out, babe. I'm so sorry. I don't know what came over me, but I promise this will never happen again.
Please, you should leave.
Babe, I'm begging you. This will not happen again, I promise.
Cheta, this is your last chance.
I swear, this will never happen again.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ken. Thank you for helping me find the love of my life. It wouldn't have been easy for me.
Yeah.
You made it so possible. Like people used to call me not man enough. But right now, you make me man enough. Thank you so much.
Well, Mr. Ken, I'm really happy. I'm happy for you. And I am so overjoyed. I mean, to see the both of you blossom into this.
Thank you very much.
Please, let me do it. Mr. Ken.
Yes.
Here is a little token.
Oh.
And also to properly invite you for our marriage that will be coming up next month.
Mr. Ken, you are far too kind. The both of you. I mean, I will not only attend the wedding, I will come with my dancing shoes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, and never forget, you are always enough. Okay?
All thanks to you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We really appreciate it.
All right.
Oh, we'll be on our way.
All right. See you on the wedding day.
Oh.
All right.
I hope to see you there.
I will be there. Oh.
Right.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Who be that now? Why do you want to spoil my door?
Now you build am.
Oga landlord.
They come. Look, no vex o. I think say na Mama Adawe won't come beg for salt or Maggi. Good day, sir. Good morning. Good night. Sorry. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
You. Wetin you get wey person wan come beg? Abeg, where my money?
Oga landlord, your money you never did now. But I dey work on something. I dey work on something very soon. You go land. I get plans. No worries. I get plans. You get your money soon.
Plans.
Yes, sir.
Which kind of plans you get? Kenneth, I be waiting they call you. If month end, I not see my money. You and that your plan go dey under bridge together.
I no get. You know day. You know anything what you want ask for now. You know day.
Oga Ken, I never talk now.
But that's what you want talk now. I no get them. Anything what you want ask me, I no get.
Oga Ken.
Look, I no get.
Na small salt, just small, very small like this. Make I put for.
Even pinch of salt, I no get.
No, Oga Ken, never reach like this. Ken Bobo, na me na me your neighbor na. You know as they be. Oga Ken come, I beg, small like this.
I beg come up for you.
Oga Ken, I beg, just small.
Which one be just small?
Dey for fire.
Now me say you go burn children everywhere. I beg, no they beg me. They go.
Now wow, no do me like this. Now wow for you. Every time I no dey. Fine boy like you, money you no get. Just to give somebody ordinary small salt like this now. They talk to you, no dey.
But I know
I never even see you with woman
no
in this
matter
house.
what happens, God no go shed me. No matter what goes on, God no go shed me. As I dey find money. Once God don't answer prayer, you shout for me, oh.
Yeah, escort people come. Eh? When this thing will change, when everything will just end, when life will just better. I'm doing my best. I'm looking for a job. I'm trying. Look at John, that one. Just the drink. Guguru everywhere, the pursue woman. He's living better than me. See, Amaka, that one with big forehead there, nothing. How do I live my dreams? Am I limiting myself? What's going on?
Outside there, I did draw the plans. Once God don't answer prayer, you shout for me. Cause who no get the money? Nobody want play with a boy. Who no get the nobody want play with a boy.
Look at all this mess you've made. What is all this now? Am I your house help? Oh, what's all this now? Cheta, wake up. Why am I really with this guy? Oh, God, only I can answer that, I guess. Cheta, wake up. Wake up.
What? Can't a man have a decent sleep?
Look, it's morning already and I have to clean up this mess you've made.
Well, if there is no mess, what would be your use in this house? Join me in the bathroom.
I already had my bath.
Nonsense. You have that bath again. I need to scrub you.
With all your
And don't skip for it.
Oh, strategize. How do I make this dream become a reality? How do I make this happen? First of all, I need connections, right? Yes. Alright, so matchmaking. Meet people. How? I need to connect with people. I need to make friends. At least talk to 10 people every day. Yeah, talk to 10 people every day. Talk to 10 people every day. Now the question is where? How? Where do I meet these people? Okay. Maybe schools, churches, weddings. Okay, but around me, my compound. Oh, my compound. Who do I want to match me? That Johnny and Amaka. No more compound. Will it work? Okay. Meet people. make friends, talk to them. Online. With which phone? The Lulu. It's not so Lulu. It's fine.
Once God don't answer prayer, you show for me. Outside there, I did draw the plans. Once God don't answer prayer, you show for me.
Bro, like all these whips and BDSM stuff, like, oh God. What is all this now? What's funny? No, it's not funny. Seriously, Jemima, it's not funny.
B, your boyfriend is a baddie. Wait, where does he get all these stuffs from? The ideas?
I really don't know. No, I don't.
BDSM.
Wait a minute. Except that he's cheating on me.
You want me? Okay, now I clear for your head. That guy is a cheat, a chronic cheat. How else do you explain the arrogance, the old... I beg, he's cheating. One is confirmed.
Cheat.
Babes, is it that you're blinded by love or you're just trying to put all your eggs in one basket?
Listen, I know that men do these things, but I can tell you that Cheta loves me.
Aww. You know, go like threesome.
It's your head. It's not funny, you know.
I beg.
It is not funny, Jemima.
Allow me catch my cruise. Show me your boyfriend is catching cruise too.
But then again, I'm not that kind of person.
Then call it quit. Babe, call it quit. Wetin you see for this guy body sef? Even though, okay, he's fine, he get height, he get money. Him papa money. Abeg rest.
See, look, all of that doesn't matter, okay? I love him too.
Oh, really? And then accept whatever you see in this relationship and stop making a fuss out of it.
I am not making a fuss out of anything, madam. I'm not.
Okay. Okay, let me just agree with you. Let's look on the bright side. He has money, he's cute, he get height. There's this thing girls say, it's better to cry in a G-Wagon than in a keke. I mean, what they do. Carry on.
See, I just carry and just throw outside. Catch your head.
Please, I beg, I'm hungry, I beg.
You know your way to the kitchen now.
So you know go serve me.
Get up and go to the kitchen.
Every time you carry Cheta matter, they disturb my ear. BDSM, baby.
Yeah, if I follow you and
If there's something you want to tell me, spill it instead of just staring at me.
You love me, right?
Isn't that obvious? What do you want, B?
Cheta, I just want reassurance of our love.
Okay, I love you, and I will always do.
Then, why do you act the way you do sometimes?
How do I act? How do I behave?
You know, like, you've changed. I mean, you're kind of violent.
Violent?
Yeah, like forceful, and that's unlike you.
Just come here. Come. Babe, I'm sorry if I let my emotions get the best of me sometimes. But look, I promise to change. I promise to be a better man. Okay?
How I want to do this paro without phone? Doesn't make sense. Whether this my neighbor go home borrow me her small Android phone, I no go fit carry my own. It's too bad. This new business idea without phone, you know, go well. I go ask. Hey, Maka, how now?
I don't even see you came, Bobo. Hey, so when you wear fine clothes today, bless you don't follow the game.
No good make person resemble their problem. How far?
I do it. You don't pay a lot of money.
No, I never pay, but I go pay.
I don't get money, I go borrow you.
No be money I won't borrow. Just get small favor one I want to see like this.
Let's do that.
That your small Android phone. I feel like me you borrow me now. Get one online business where I just want to take and run. I feel even they pay for the phone small. Inside 2 free.
You see they write move for my face, Abi. Like give my phone where you carry and go. No, I don't fit to. Don't carry my phone.
Yeah, they stay. I not go carry your phone.
You go carry my phone go. You never even pay landlord money. You go carry my phone go. I beg, I know they give you.
No verse. Say I ask you for your phone. No, that one you go carry insult me. I senior you normally.
How my life come been like this, I don't know. Share this na juju, I been a jazz. I know God relate. I must keep on pushing.
I'm coming. Baby. Oh, God. You this girl. Look at you. Where have you been? You were supposed to be here an hour ago. We're supposed to go to the market together. Where were you? Don't even lie. You know, come and join me in the kitchen. Let's go.
Wait, why don't we talk about your birthday party first? Yes, girl. Let's go. Yes, babe. So I've been thinking, how do you want your birthday to look like?
I think right now I'm just thinking about an in-house party.
Wow.
I just want to do something a little fun and different for the first time.
For you, I'll be for both of you.
Oh my goodness. Fine. I just want us to have a great time. Stop.
Okay, I think I might just have the perfect plan.
Okay. Spill. Let's hear it. What's up?
On one condition.
Okay. Anything.
You make me the birthday party planner.
Oh my god. Okay, done.
Really?
Okay, so what's the plan?
It's a surprise. But first of all, how do you want to pay? Cash or transfer?
Who's going to pay you?
Yes, girl.
I am not paying you anything. Come on, let's go to the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. What? Let's go. You just don't want to pay. Come on, let's go.
What are you making?
Shey na temptation be this, I been a gift of God because I don't understand. I get dream. I need phone. Now see phone. Phone don't come. I been a stealing because no be my own. I go flash am tomorrow. So logo sabi this kind of thing. First thing tomorrow morning, I go flash am. God, I beg now. No use this thing against me. No use them against me. I promise. I go return this phone to the owner. I go compensate them. Eh? Man need to make money. Man need to chop. Cannot just be seeing blessings like this and be returning them. Eh? The person no dey even call. Go use am.
Hey, darling. Hi.
You look so ravishing.
Thank you. I wish I could say the same about you.
Well, maybe if you had told me, I would have dressed properly for the occasion.
You're super silly. So, are you going to sleep over?
Can the sleepover start?
Well, after the appetizer comes the main course. What?
Who are you and what have you done to Bianca?
Oh, please hush. Come here. Come and sit down. Come.
Okay.
So I can finish setting up. You're a little early. Alright, I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
us to drink. Not your taste? Would you want to place order for something else, like maybe food or maybe another wine?
Yes, food.
Food. Okay. Waiter!
Yes, madam.
Guest would like to place another order.
Yeah, what do you like to have? Do you have swallow? Swallow? Yes, sir. Anyway, you have it.
So, you're hungry but couldn't tell me. You've not heard that a closed mouth is a closed destiny?
I wanted to ask you, why?
Why what?
Why you're being nice to a total stranger?
I like you. You can keep the phone. Yeah, take it.
I should
Yes.
help you hold it.
No, it's yours now.
No, I found it for you and I returned it.
And I say it's yours.
So I can keep it.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You know what? Why don't we do something? Come up. I'll take you somewhere right now.
What about the food?
I'll ask them to pack it. Let's go. Come on.
I wanna say thank you for coming into my life, into my life. I wanna say
Okay, that's fine. I'll see you tomorrow by 10. I'll send the driver to you.
She don't even collect the phone again. No. Just give me. Say make I take. How should she talk herself? I don't need it anymore. Hey? Yeah. I don't get iPhone. No. Hey. Come on. Heavy. Designers. Designers. Yeah. Let me see if they greet me. I no go the answer greeting again. Just say good morning, Mr. Kenneth. Say good morning, good morning, good morning. Say, Mr. Kenneth, how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine. Just say, even if I want to stop bike now, I'll say, hey, bike. Okay, but you just see the phone. If I just take picture now, we just take all my picture like this. Shows up. Fresh, sweet. I won't test her. Hey, where? Pizza, sharp, clear. Oh God, now you do this one. Oh, thank you. Now you do it. Now you do it.
Sit down. So, how are you, Ken?
I'm very fine.
Messy's just fine. What would you like?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Stop being modest. I'll get you wine. A graduate of electrical engineering. So what, are you unemployed?
Well, the corporate and business world can be crazy, and I don't know people in high places.
Well, you know me now. I am Messi Coca.
The Mexico.
The Messi Coca. Abibola Coca's only child.
It's such an honor, man.
You know, I asked myself what I was doing at that area that day. But then I remembered that God worked in mysterious ways, right?
Right.
You know, I wanted to get cash and the ATM was not dispensing and I needed to get to one POS stand. And then I misplaced my phone. You know the rest. Would you actually want to do a 9 to 5 job?
At this point, any job will do. I just need a job.
So, what's your greatest desire?
Madam, with all your escapades that you've been gisting me about, I hope I will not end up as a godmother very soon. Mhm. Hey.
It smells so nice.
Thank you. um. Cheta.
Come on, babe. Don't spoil the fun. You think this is why you had me over?
Well, actually, I'm pregnant.
You are what?
I'm
I
pregnant.
heard you the first time. I'm not deaf.
Is there a problem? You don't seem okay.
Okay. Like you're asking me if I'm okay. Let me ask you, Bianca. Do I look like I'm ready to father a child? Right? Do I?
But we love each other, don't we?
Sometimes love is not enough. Look, you're going to get rid of it. That's it.
No, I won't.
My dear, this is not debatable. You must take it out.
Bianca. Bianca. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Wait, have you been listening to what I've been saying?
I'm so sorry. Please, what did you say?
For real?
Sorry.
The rest.
Sorry now. Tell me. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, tell me.
You've had your way now. But next time I will not let you. What is bothering you? What's the problem?
Nothing. I was just reminiscing about life and all.
Yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, or even I don't believe you.
Yeah.
I'm fine. How are you? Yeah, he did. What's up? Wait, what do you mean? I don't understand.
That guy is cheating on you.
Look, Jemima, just calm down, okay? Cheta is not cheating on me. Besides, I've not met all of his family members. That could be one of his relatives or something.
Oh, okay, so they don't kiss family members. I
Wait, hold on. Jemima, are you sure of this?
That guy was kissing and romancing that girl. I can even show you a picture. You know me very last. Check your WhatsApp.
Do you remember? Let me call you back, okay?
Hey, babe.
Hey, you didn't call me again.
I'm so sorry. I had a rough day. My flight was delayed, but we pulled through.
When did you get to Abuja?
Say past 10 instead of 8 as scheduled earlier. Babe, are you okay?
Yes. Just that something entered my eyes. Yeah, I'm fine. Just that something entered my eyes. I just called to check up on you.
What would I do without you, my love? Thank you. I'm in the middle of something, so please let's talk tomorrow, okay?
What do you think?
This place is nostalgic. You know, I've been here before, but in my dreams.
Oh. Okay. But this is real. Come on, look around.
Yeah. I was sitting right there and I had, oh my God. I'm gonna tear up.
No, please don't. Stop it.
Wow.
Relax.
I'm busy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can you receive that?
What?
Success.
Yeah.
It's okay, cheer up. So, where are we starting from? Go on, this is all yours. And I will be your first client. Have fun. So, I have another surprise for you.
Another surprise?
Mm-hmm.
What could it be?
Your new house.
Wait, this is your house?
One of our houses, actually. The thing is, my driver told me about your house and how uncomfortable it is. So I felt like it doesn't suit your present personality. So I'm giving you this one.
Oh wait, first of all, the gifts, the office, and now you give me a house.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, hold on. This is not a prank, pulling my legs, right?
Stop. Don't make me regret doing it.
No, come on. Oh, I'm sorry.
Why are you
I
apologizing?
was just excited.
I like it. It's good. I just worried thing. Or
Of
are we
course.
not?
Yeah. Ooh.
Woo!
I'm a house owner now.
Yes, you are, baby.
We work like one.
I wanna say thank you for coming into my life, into my life. I wanna say thank you for coming into my life, into my life. I'm forever grateful. All happen like dreams, later became true. I'm forever later became true. I'm forever grateful. All happened like dreams, later became true. I'm forever grateful. All happened like dreams, later became true.
Is this a
In your heart, I discover my forever home. In your eyes, I found my favorite love. How are you, Ken?
Hey, Mercy?
Is there a problem?
No, I just wanted to confirm that all of this is real and it's not a prank.
Really? You're so funny. You should try comedy, you know. Is that what you actually called?
Yes, and I just wanted to thank you for loving me unconditionally.
Oh, you're welcome. See you tomorrow at your office.
Bye.
I wanna say thank you for coming into my life, into my life. I wanna say thank you for coming into my life, into my life. I'm forever grateful. All happened like dreams, later became true.
Well, I guess it's welcome to that.
All happened like dreams, later became true. I'm forever grateful. All happened like dreams, later became
Cheta, it's pretty late.
Sorry, I got...
Look, I don't think I want to hear the details. Good night.
Come on, babe. I'm sorry. I know you're upset with me. I don't even know what I did. I sent you a gift earlier. You didn't even call to appreciate or acknowledge it.
I saw it. It's beautiful. Thank you.
Just that. I swam 7 oceans just to get you that precious gift as my angel.
I love you, Cheta. And I love you. Thank you.
That's my girl. I promise to be a better man, like the best man for you. I promise to be a better man, okay? Let me go freshen up and come join you here and call you on it, okay? Be back.
Be fast, we'll be late.
I'm coming.
Always come every time. This is the last person to be with.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, stop.
Oh my god.
Stop it. Oh, please. Stop it. What?
This necklace. You think I'm not noticing?
Oh my gosh.
So who got it?
You know who? You know he has his way around.
So una settle quarrel again.
Whatever. Listen, he just noticed that I had some mood swings the other day and he thought it was about him. So he went ahead to buy me this.
So was the mood swing really about him?
Look, does it really matter? Listen, all I want is that we should have fun, and that's why my birthday party has to have a crazy theme, okay?
Bad girl!
Yes. Oh, please, stop. Let's go.
Majesty.
Oh, Jesus. Oh,
So, Miss Mercy, what are the qualities you said you want in a man?
Well, Mr. Ken,
Yeah.
I need a man that has money. Not just money, very rich. I need a man that will spend money on me. Take me to vacations, in Dubai, shopping, change my hair, fix my nails. Mr. Ken, I need a man.
Okay, so if I understand you correctly, you need a man who can take care of you financially. A man who will spoil you, right? And for a man to be capable of these things, you mean you actually need a man who's financially stable, like wealthy. Good. And did you mention handsome? Good looks. All right, Miss Mercy. What do you bring to the table? What are the qualities you possess that will keep this man when you finally find him?
Mr. Ken, I have everything it takes. Can't you see? I have everything.
I'm sorry. I don't understand what you mean by everything.
Mr. Ken, I have everything. She go give me this man, you know, give me. Shoo.
Oh. So, Mr. Bode, what do you say was the problem in your last relationship?
Rebecca. Bros, you know if you believe say Rebecca they chop my money.
Chop?
Rebecca chop me. Rebecca chop my money.
Sorry, chop. Okay. Meaning you spend money on her?
So I don't understand you. She not chop now you won't write down be waiting.
Oh, Mr. Bode, you realize that I need to write down so I could find a pattern in your relationship.
Baba, close book, I beg. Close book. I tell you, say Rebecca do me, he pay me. Rebecca chop my money, tell me you write Rebecca down. You see, Rebecca, she's very useless. Better. So that you, bros, look me. Look. You see, Rebecca, very useless lady. To the extent, say, if I keep 2,000 naira for my pocket, she just go there, go carry am. I don't go tell her. Sometimes I feel keep, say you get some boxers where be say they go, what they do now? Maybe they won't call back pockets for, get pocket for back. You understand those kind trousers? Just short here, if I keep 500 naira there, Rebecca will carry am. See, I give am so many things wey Rebecca dey do. I fit manage now, okay, Rebecca, I wan go buy something for outside. I no go tell am say make you follow me. She just follow me. I fit come reach there like this. Maybe I don plan say I wan buy something of 200 naira. Rebecca go demand something of 1,000. She wan do wetin? She wan shame me. Because if I no buy am for am, people go dey talk say, she be na your girlfriend, na so that. I go use shame buy am for Rebecca. You understand? So many bad things Rebecca they do to me. But I just feel like say, but now I don't tire. I no even want them again. Bros, you dey sleep? You see Rebecca, na very useless lady. You see, in fact, I'm not tire me. I hate Rebecca.
All right. Your date is Friday. I'll send you the whole details.
Thank you very much, sir. If this works out, I'm definitely going to surprise you.
It'll definitely work out.
All right, sir.
I'm good at what I do.
Yeah, I know.
Thanks for coming once again. See you on Friday. Yeah. Hey.
Hi. How are you?
I'm all right. How you doing? You look good. Come on.
I said business is doing great.
Yeah, thanks to you. Simply sit.
Thank you.
You know, I'm just reliving the whole moment and it scares me.
Are you having doubts? Why?
From an engineer to a matchmaker.
Okay.
What if I fail?
The thing is, there's no crime in failure. It only makes you better.
That's the truth.
Mm-hmm.
Where have you been all my life?
Ooh, now that's some sexy Diana's line.
What was that?
Never mind. So, I'll be leaving town for a while. I have some stuff to take care of.
Alright, I'll just stop by the house.
I'm going to England.
Wait, what?
Oh, look at that cute sad face. It's okay, I'll be back before you arrive. Please, I really have to go. I have some stuff to sort out.
You just go here.
I have to go. I'll see ya.
Yes, Mr. Tunde. That's actually good news. Yeah. Well, I hope you two are getting along together. Wonderful, wonderful. You mentioned she was everything you wanted. You mentioned she's everything you want? Good. Yeah. Do not forget to keep up with the energy you started. That's the only way to keep a woman you love. You know I'm the best at what I do. All right, thank you. Bye.
Here, Cheta. Just watch. Every time this guy keeps doing the same thing. Every damn time. And you just go back to him like that. He keeps disrespecting you. Just see. The worst is that he does not even do it hidden. He goes to open places to do this rubbish. And after doing it, he will come, beg, and you still accept him. I don't understand. Is this love? Because I'm confused at this moment. The idiots were even planning birthday party for. Oh, I want it to be the theme. I want the theme to be bad girl, whatever. Just imagine. Baby, you need to wise up because me, I don't even understand. I don't understand this relationship. Can't they do like say you know be my friend again? I don't understand. Which kind of love is this? This one no be love again. No. This one don't they turn another thing. Ha! Just imagine. For outside, for where people they enter, where public place. That guy has no single respect for you. And every time you keep taking disrespect from him. You better wise up. Oh. No, they do like that. Okay. Voila. Just imagine. I no do event plan again. I no do birthday. In fact, that birthday is cancelled. It is cancelled. If you do anything concerning that birthday after this, then I will have to rethink our friendship. Good night. If I delete the video from my phone, I will.
Babe, I'm so sorry. You know I'm not do anything to hurt you.
Oh, is that right, Cheta? Because looking through your records, you've done this over and over
But I
again.
always apologize.
Are you okay? So you think like kneeling down all the time or buying me gifts will solve anything? You know what? I've had it up to here. Just leave, please.
Listen, I'm sorry.
Do you want to hit me now? I said you should leave. Or do you want me to leave this house for you?
It's fine. I'll leave. But I'll be back. Because I understand you need some space.
B, come and see oh.
What's happening? See what? Check. Okay, check him out. Babe, this is what you need. I don't get it. So why do I need a matchmaker? What do I need it for? Don't be silly. You need his services. Wait. Oh my goodness. So is it that bad that you want me to use a matchmaker, Jemima? Oh my God.
Go. Your situation is bad. And then again, I don't like the way you have been so cold these days. I'm just trying to help my friend.
Listen, girl, I don't need that kind of help.
I'll go back to my house.
Hey, Jemima. Are you trying to threaten me?
Okay, B, see, I promise. If it doesn't work out, I'll let you do whatever you want to do. Is that a yes?
I don't know.
I love you!
Oh, please stop. Look at. Actually, you even need him more than I do. Yes. You singularity of a human being.
What's that? Did you say something?
You need him. Look at
I'm
you.
not interested.
Not just me.
I'm not interested.
Okay, we shall see.
Mojito. We'll get the fine guy. Let me check me.
Are you kidding? So you've been stalking this guy's page?
I've just been the guy just the hot everywhere.
That's a clear indication that you're the one who needs him.
Not me. No, for real. I'm looking out for my friend.
I wanna say thank you for coming into my life, into my life. I wanna say thank you for coming into my life, into my life. I'm forever grateful. All happened like dreams, later became true. I'm forever grateful. All happened like dreams, later became true. I'm forever grateful. All happened like dreams, later became true. I'm forever grateful. All happened like dreams, later became true. In your heart, I discover my forever home. In your eyes, I found my favorite love story. I thought it was a crush, but now it has grown into a fairy tale. I will cherish every chapter with you. I thought it was a crush, but now it has grown into a fairy tale. I will cherish every chapter with you. Where have you been all my life? I've suffered, I've trickled. Where have you been all my life? I have suffered, I have trickled.
Yes. Okay, send them in. Thank you. Hello, ladies.
Hello.
Which one of you is Jemima.
I'm Jemima.
Okay. Your friend will have to go because I can't have a joint section.
No, just I'll go. You can.
Ms. Jemima, please have a seat.
Well, I don't have a lot of hobbies. I like being in the company of people I love, and I enjoy my outdoor hangouts during the weekends with my friend Jemima.
Ms. Bianca, outdoor activities can be fantastic in the sense that you get to meet like-minded people. Good. Moving forward, what's your approach towards work-life balance? And what perspective do you expect your partner to have on this?
Okay, I am into interior decoration. I'm quite career driven, but family is important too. So I believe in having some sort of balance between the two. So I would hope and expect that I would find someone that shares the same belief as well.
That's understandable. Finding a balance between career and family is a very common priority, especially among a lot of people who work into my office. Moving on from there, yeah, from your past relationships, are there any patterns you've observed or any lessons you've learned that you could share with me to help me?
Ta-da! How do I look?
Girl, do not block the screen for me. Okay.
Stop now.
You look good. So what's the occasion?
Well, I'm going on a date.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that matchmaker is really good. You complained that you refused to come after the first session. Why?
Nothing. I mean, I just felt like he was intruding into my private life. So, nah.
What do you mean intruding? For this whole thing to work, there needs to be understanding and communication. And don't forget, you've heard testimonies, you've seen people that he has helped.
So why then is he worried about losing a single client?
Because he doesn't want you to be his first testimony of a failure. Bianca, stop this thing now. Why are you always doing this thing? Just try and go. Okay, let it be that you tried and then the match did not work, or you don't like the person and all that. At least don't waste his effort. And don't waste my money. I paid big money.
Auntie, you're talking too much. You're going to be late for your date. Chop, go.
Talking about late nights. I'm using your car.
Fine. You can go so you don't get.
Thank you, Mama. I love you.
Bye. Take care.
Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Have fun.
All right. Take care.
Bye.
Good luck.
All right.
I already said I was done for the day.
Oh my goodness. I am so sorry. I allowed her into.
Bianca, it's fine. It's fine. I didn't know it was you.
Are you actually done for the day?
Yes, I was going to have lunch and then head home to go rest my coconut head.
Oh, maybe I could join you for lunch.
Perfect. Let me get my car key.
Okay. Actually, I drove.
That's good. You drive behind me.
Okay.
All right. Oh, You look nice.
Thank you.
So, why did you stop coming?
Well, I just felt that you were very intrusive.
That's what I do. That's what I do. I intrude into my client's life so I can help them. You want to label me as a failure? It's not going to work. After all my suffering to get here, I cannot lose my clients. Do you hear me? I cannot lose my clients. You hear me? You hear me?
Hey, is everything okay? What's the problem?
I guess life flashed before my eyes. So tell me, why did you stop coming?
Oh, you know what? Scratch that. I'm here now, so I'll start all over again. Okay?
What if I don't want to do it anymore?
Well, I know that you love a good name, so.
That's a good trait. I love traits. Well, I will charge you double the initial price.
Okay. Deal.
Cheers to returning clients that pay double the price.
Cheers.
Cheers. Have you ever tried ice cream soaked in a sizzling, sumptuous cake as an appetizer? Main course, seafood spaghetti. Now, on the plate, you have all this seafood obstructing the entire view. I know a place that can give you that and even more.
Wait, I have never heard of anything like that before. But I'm always up for new food adventures, so a dinner date sounds perfect.
That's good. I'll send you an address. Let's change gear. What's your plans for the weekend?
Nothing, because thanks to you, Jemima is barely at home.
I'm in luck then. I've been thinking about our conversations lately, and I find you to be a very interesting person.
Oh, thank you. I mean, I think you're interesting as well, and I feel that it's cool and surprising that we share the same interests.
Oh, definitely. I'm not called the celebrity matchmaker for nothing.
Well, surprise me, because I trust your matchmaking skills and your choice in restaurants.
Oh, you should actually wait until you find out my wine tasting skills.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm badass. All right. That's a huge progress with that stubborn fellow in 2 days. Tomorrow we'll wrestle again. I can't imagine her face when she finds out. Yeah, come in. Hi, please come inside.
This isn't a restaurant.
Yeah, welcome to my home. The restaurant is set up over there.
Master, this isn't professional, or is it?
Can I explain what happened? In the meantime, make yourself comfortable. I'm still trying to set. Please, come make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Yeah. By the way, you look good.
Thank you.
The hair's given, the makeup, and the dress.
Thank you.
Thank you. Did anyone ever tell you you look particularly in green?
Come on, don't flatter me.
I'm not flattering you. A statement of fact.
Thank you once again. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Beautiful place.
Thanks. I'll be with you shortly. Let the chef do his thing.
All right.
All right.
In your eyes, I found my favorite love story. I thought it was a crush, but now it has grown into a fairy tale. I will cherish every chapter with you. I thought it was a crush, but now it has grown into a fairy tale. I will cherish every chapter with you. Where have you been all my life? I've suffered, I've trickled. Where have you been all my life?
Want some more wine?
Yes, please.
I hope you're enjoying the meal.
Listen, I must confess, this is so good. Like, did you go to a culinary school? Because this is amazing.
There's actually more where that came from.
Listen, I can't eat anymore because if I continue to eat this way, my date is going to run away.
Speaking of dates, I found your match.
You did?
Yes, I did. I figured if I changed the approach, I would get a faster result. But I didn't expect it to be this fast.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I mean, you're truly the best.
Am I getting a compliment from the sassy and nonchalant Bianca?
Listen, look, pride aside, you truly know what you're doing.
Thank you very much.
You're good.
I know.
This is good too.
Thanks.
Oh, baby, you don't want to eat. Order for something new. Food is life. When you eat, you know what to talk about love or honestly. If I finish eating this, I'll order for another one. There's money. You need to eat, food is life. Hi, Mama, I did not eat before coming here. So I was just trying to recover. Well, we can talk very well. Where is this bad boy? I told him to bring more wine for you. Oh, yeah, really? Oh, eat. Order for something. Order for something.
It's okay. I'm fine.
Okay, I'm fine. We are okay. I realize to take a bite from here. Alright, so let me feed you, but the food won't be enough for me. Bring the second plate! It's not eating, let me eat it. Yeah. The jollof rice there are the best. If you eat food here, you come back again. I'm telling you. The jollof are the best. I come here almost every day. That's why I say, let's meet here. Hey! Bring the second plate! Do you need? No, I see that. Okay, maybe you need before coming, right?
Oh my goodness, this guy was so annoying. He was just chewing so loudly, so much so that the pepper from his mouth could just enter your eyes. It was just disgusting. Oh my gosh. No.
So,
Jeez.
okay, I'm so sorry about that. Besides the loud chewing, how was the date in general?
Look, I just couldn't deal. I had to pretend I had to use the bathroom and then I built on him. Oh my god. It's terrible.
Miss Bianca, please sit. Miss Bianca, I have a very important question to ask.
Okay.
And I need you to be honest with me. Are you looking for someone in another person?
What do you mean?
In my line of work, a lot of people walk into this office. Men, women, they want to be matchmaked. But it turns out that there's actually someone they're attracted to, maybe in love with, that they admire. But they're looking for this person in other people. So I ask you again, are you looking for someone in these other people you've gone out with on dates?
Is there someone? No, listen, stop. Just stop it. Jemima, stop it.
You like him, don't you?
What's wrong with you? I mean, what's wrong with liking somebody so that communication can flow? Besides, what's there not to like about him? He's a likable person.
So, does he know that you like him in this short period of time?
Jemima, can you hear yourself? You just said short period of time and you want me to go and start blabbing to tell him how I feel about him. And besides, he's even desperately trying to send me on another date after I complained about the last one, so...
Don't you expect him to do? He's doing what he was paid to do. Yes.
So
Do you
you're-
expect him to record failure?
Wait, so you're taking sides now?
B, I'm not taking sides. I'm only saying that it is not a bad thing to express yourself. Express how you feel. And moreover, if you ask me, I think you feel more alive than you were with Chita.
Oh, please. Still news.
That's the truth.
And besides, I'm not going to be the first person to express how I feel.
Then get ready to go on more exhausting dates. Who knows? Maybe you find somebody that legs like this.
You're so silly. Go away.
Anyways, I made your favorite.
Oh,
Should I
you
serve
did?
you?
Oh, okay. I'm waiting.
I serve you? Okay. Sit well, my queen.
Good.
Our Royal Majesty. Just let the chef do what she knows how to do best.
Okay. I just hope you don't poison me with bad food.
It's been 3 weeks, and yet no progress. Who sent this one to me? Am I unwise? It's clear there's a connection between us, but damn. The media will be so excited to paste my face on every damn gossip blog. But I can't be the one to express how I feel first. Whew, this love. She must bond with that guy tonight. All this thought is because I'm idle.
happened for you?
What are you doing here, Monica?
Wait, oh, so just small space for this. You just give me small space, make her take breathe small. Now you don't let me go carry another babe.
Monica, I thought we would break up.
I'm sorry. What's going on here? David, what's the problem?
You know what? Me and you go break up at the craze.
Why embarrassing me?
When I say men be like Bluetooth, you go be like how they insult men. Men be like Bluetooth. If you stay with them, they stay connected. Just do mistake, shift. They disconnect. You don't connect another person. You too fine. See beauty. If you maintain me, shall not go be like her. As I dey understand you, understanding girlfriend, where I be, I dey understand you, you no wan understand me.
Monica, did you just came out to embarrass me?
I no dey embarrass you, na you dey embarrass me. See baby you wan go carry, you fit maintain her. See this hair, see my hair, see my hair be. As I dey understand you, no wan understand me. I be na this broken English wey dey speak, now you wan take maintain. Dey fear God abeg. Wait, David, you buy wine. It's sweet oh. It's sweet oh, hey. Hey. No, she said it. But you wicked. If you spend money for my head, she no go be like her. I no go be like her.
So you just came out to embarrass me?
It's a consignment. Hey, my life sweet oh. So you get money, David? So you get money? Don't worry, I dey wait for you for house. If you dey come, maybe I don't spoil today, tomorrow. If you take me out, tomorrow drink more. I dey wait for you for house o. May I still wan spare it to your house.
Goodness, I am just so sick and tired of this. Like every day comes with a different embarrassment. Like, what is all this? Like, what does love have against me?
Is it that bad?
It's terrible. Like consistently it has been bad.
I'll just calm down, okay?
You know what? Look, I just need something to drink. I just need to forget about all of this.
Would that make you feel better?
I guess so.
Okay. I have a bottle of whiskey, 18 years. Want to try it out?
Okay, sounds good.
Well, after that, I could actually drop you off at home.
You know what? Scratch that. Let me just stay over and just drink away my sorrows. Like, please. Like, I'm just sick and tired of all of this.
Whatever the queen says. I'll do this.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Sorry, sorry. Oh, I didn't mean to start with you. Oh.
Yeah, I also forgot that I have you over. I'm sorry. Are you hurt?
No.
You sure?
I'm fine. I'm sorry. Sorry. I think I better start going to now. People are sick.
Oh, yes. Actually, she will be. Let me drop you off.
Found it.
Wow. I'll drop you off in the car. Okay. Let me help you with that. Let's go.
Thank you. All right. Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Thank you.
Bianca, you've been avoiding this guy's call since morning. Why? This is not fair now. It's childish.
Jemima, look, it's my phone, okay? So why don't you just enjoy your snacks and the program we're watching?
But it does not make sense. It does not make any sense. If you guys love each other, why don't you just give it a chance already? It has money, and besides, it's better than that stupid cheddar.
You know, ever since that kiss, I just feel so weird.
That's because you're trying to suppress your feelings. Yeah. If you ask me, it's better to be with someone who loves you and values you, rather than being with somebody you love so much, and then the person ends up treating you as trash. Is that Ken? Okay.
He says that he's coming over and we need to talk.
Good. Good. Let's get this thing done. I beg. I don't tire. You just a whine like mosquito for my ear every time.
Jemima,
what?
Me? A mosquito? You will soon go to your house, let me tell you.
Go where? I die here. I did this house, my sister. So quick. Hey! What love cannot do does not exist. I give him a chance.
Baby.
What in the world are you doing in my house?
Do you mean what am I doing here? I can see my baby, of course.
Are you mad or something? What baby are you talking about?
You know how much I hate to be spoken to in that manner.
Well, then you get out of my house. Leave.
But babe, we didn't break up. Yeah, I know I screwed up sometimes and you needed space. So I understood and went away. We should do it. This is supposed to be a private conversation.
Look, Cheta, just leave.
I beg. Give yourself some sense. I'm not saying anything because of Bianca. So just respect yourself before I forget my hand for your face. I'm not Bianca. Respect yourself, oh.
Are you seeing it? No. Can't you just see the kind of friends you're keeping? I just say a word, it's already raining thunder and brimstone. Can you see?
Bianca, I beg. I don't know the language when they understand. Just help me warn him because it's not. I'm not going to take it.
See, Cheta, can you just leave?
Babe, we really need to talk. I'm a changed person now. I'm different.
Sorry for the gods. Wait, Bianca. I hope you're not falling for this nonsense this guy is saying. Don't try him, oh.
Jemima, just calm down, okay? I know exactly what I'm doing.
Hey, you are really in a small world. See my guy now. What do you do now?
I am a matchmaker.
Oh. Wait though. Now you be the Jakes what they see everywhere for IG.
Correct.
Oh, I see. Cool. Babe, get us some drinks.
Jemima is your girlfriend?
Well, actually, Bianca here is. Jemima is just a noisy friend.
Look, that is not true. It's not true, Kenneth.
Go and get us some drinks. You're here denying your long-term relationship. Like, are you okay?
Actually, there'll be no need for that. I have to go to the office. I have some things to do.
Okay, hold
on. You look like an idiot in front of me.
Okay. So, it's okay. I've had it. Because you are the idiot. You don't have sense. Get out.
Lay your hands on me and I will do it.
You what? You go do a thing. Bomb there your head. You know get brain. I said get out! Don't stall with nothing in the head. How did you cope? Because I don't understand how you were able to cope with this kind of person. So brainless. See, this whole thing that happened here, you're going to have to fix it and sort it out yourself because I'm not going to get involved. I don't know what I'll do if I get involved. I don't know what I'll do to that idiot.
Hey!
Mercy.
I'm happy to see you too. I see you've done so well for yourself. You've become really popular.
Mercy. Why did you ghost me all this while? I mean, I thought I was getting my life together and everything's just messed up and
You look a mess. Are you okay?
Yeah.
What's eating you up? Do you want to talk about it? Okay, let's go somewhere and talk about it.
Nice place you got. Nice place you got here.
Chida, what are you doing in my office without an appointment?
A little tip here and there. I told the front desk that we're close pals and faked the call.
Once a sneaky bastard, always a sneaky bastard. What do you want?
Guy, why do you talk like this, like say with a fight? If you get something where you won't tell me. So this is the thank you I get after saving your broke, sorry ass financially back then in school. Huh? See you now. You're now rubbing shoulders with me. You follow me, they drag my woman. Again, Bobo. No be so. No be so.
Why don't we talk about how I saved your ass academically? Because if it wasn't for me, you would be nothing by now. Oh, I forgot. You have daddy's money to hide behind. Well, I made mine. I built this brick by brick with my blood, my sweat, and my tears. And so I asked you again, Cheta, what do you want?
Look, you know what? Let's just cut this whole long story short. Name a price. I will give you anything. Just leave Bianca for me. That's all.
You know, after all these years, one would think you would develop a brain finally and begin to think. But nah. Do you even love her? Oh, no, you don't. You're just going through all of this stress to prove a point. That's what you're doing. Well, newsflash. I don't have her under my tentacles. She's an adult. and she can think for herself and make decisions for herself. Now, if you don't have anything else to say or you don't have business to come and discuss, I suggest you get up and get out.
Again, Bobo. Okay.
I said, get out of my office! Bianca, what are you doing in my office? My business with you is over. You don't have an appointment.
Come on, Ken. You said you wanted to talk to me.
Well, if I knew about your entanglement, then I wouldn't have anything to talk about with you.
Ken, don't be petty.
I shouldn't be what? I shouldn't be what? You have the temerity to say that to me? Even a blind man could tell that I was in love with you. Oh yes, I was. I was head over heels for you. I was, for the first time in my life, serious about somebody. And you know something, Bianca? The moment you lie to a person, you change the perspective of who the person thinks you are. And right now, to me, you are nothing but a liar and a cheat. I know, yeah. I ruined those dates. You want to know why? Of course you want to know why I ruined the dates. Number one, I was jealous. I was jealous of watching you, knowing that you would be laughing, smiling with all of these men the way you laugh with me. So I ruined it. Another reason why I ruined it, you want to know? Of course you want to know. I ruined it because I didn't want to have any competition when it came to you. That's how serious I was about you. The last reason I ruined it because you were looking for me in those men you went out on dates with. Excuse me.
Okay. Hey guys, your boy Chata here again. So today I'm here to expose the latest fraud in town. He goes by the name Ken Jakes.
Bianca,
The guy goes around masquerading as a matchmaker, but he doesn't know anything about matchmaking. What he does is going around sleeping with people's wives and girlfriends, ruining homes. Instead of repairing homes, he ruins homes.
Yay.
So I'm saying this because currently I'm a victim. This man is sleeping with my girlfriend. Like, he even made her break up with me. Bianca, my girlfriend I love so much. So I'm saying this from a place of hurt. This guy is a fraud. This guy is fake. He's a scammer. Like, and Jake is a fraud. He's not a matchmaker. He doesn't know anything about matchmaking. Stay clear of him.
What is this? How did you meet this guy? How did you meet this guy? What is this? Why is he doing this? Why? Just imagine, see comments, see Facebook. Goodness. Facebook is on fire.
goes by the name Ken Jakes. This guy goes around masquerading as a matchmaker, but he doesn't know anything about matchmaking.
Sorry. Maybe we should just sue this idiot already.
No. I suggest we let it slide, okay? I don't want to aggravate the issue further. I don't want this to just elongate, okay? I just want it to end and die down.
But look at you.
What he does is going around sleeping with people's wives and girlfriends, ruining homes. Instead of repairing homes, he ruins homes. So I'm saying this because currently I'm a victim. This man is sleeping with my girlfriend. Like, he even made her break up with me. Bianca, my girlfriend I love so much. So I'm saying this from a place of hurt.
Okay. Ignore all of that. Everyone knows how the social media works. They are all mad people in there. I think you should stay away from your phone. Don't take calls. Don't go to work if you must. Don't take calls. And don't receive any guests.
Look at the kind of mess I'm in because I decide to be in love. I mean, what have I done to deserve this? Everything that I've worked for all of these years is just going to go down the drain?
Sorry. Okay, it's pretty hurt now. You're hungry. Maybe we should go somewhere. I know what I said, Ken. She's not a guest.
Hi, Ken.
You two have a lot to talk about. I have some things to attend to. Please, can this misunderstanding be sorted out already? Get comfortable, okay? Thank you.
Listen, Ken. Cheta is an ass.
That we can both agree. Look, you know I can't stay mad at you, right? But I'm still pissed off. You refuse to tell me about your ex-boyfriend that turns out to be the daddy's boy. Why?
Listen, I was done with him, I swear.
It doesn't change the fact that you lied.
So, what about Mercy then?
Mercy. Please, I'm not like you. Mercy is the first friend I had. Mercy is the only daughter of Abimbola Koka.
Explains her bossy nature.
She's actually a sweet soul, if you get to know her. She can be a lot sometimes, though.
I wonder what she has up her sleeves.
How did you two meet again?
She just called me randomly out of the blue.
On your phone?
Yeah, I guess she must have sourced for my number somehow. I don't know. So, can I?
Let's give us a chance. Look, I don't care about this fame. Yes, I wanted it. But I don't care about it anymore. The only thing I care about is you. And I want to be with you.
You know what? Let's start on a clean slate, okay?
Okay.
So, hi, Mr. Kenneth Obioma. My name is Bianca Abrams, and I need your services.
Oh my God. You're such a mess. Hold on, let me send my invoice. No.
You're so silly.
2.2 million.
What is that?
500,000. 52 naira.
I'm supposed to be having these services for free.
Okay. No, I don't do business without pleasure. Pleasure, no business with.
No.
You should pay me for all these laps I give you.
Hey guys, this is Cheta, and I'm making this video to address the news making rounds concerning my ex and the matchmaker. Yeah, the video has been going viral, and I was just angry and selfish. I apologize for my petty and stupid actions.
How can be a very interesting dynamic, right?
And I believe you're referring to Messi.
Come here, my love. My love, come. In your beautiful eyes, I found my perfect love story. And in your heart, I found a place to call home forever. I want to be with you.
Oh, okay, matchmaker. If I follow your words, you're going to get married to me for free.
That's the plan. That's the plan. Come here. I love you.
I love you. Listen.
Hey.
In your eyes, I found my favorite love story. I thought it was a crush, but now it has grown into a fairy tale. I will cherish every chapter with you. I thought it was a crush, but now it has grown into a fairy tale. I will cherish every chapter with you. Where have you been all my life? I've suffered, I've tried cold. Where have you been all my life? I have suffered, I have tried cold. I wanna say thank you for coming into my life, into my life. I wanna say thank you for coming into my life, into my life. I'm forever grateful. All happened like dreams, later became true.